hello there. Welcome to Lepin. Today I'm going to show you how to make some fabulous Lepin this very 2 in the morning. Let's go. So first, I need to clean off my work surface a little bit. Your first ingredient will be clay. So first, for the Lepin, I will show you, you will squish up the Lepin into a very Lepin state. Once you got your Lepin good and squished, you're gonna make it into a cube. Oh no, I got glitter in my Lepin. This is so sad. So, you're gonna wanna cut this in the palm of your hand, just in case you got through. At least it's just going in your hand, not into your fancy table. Then you're gonna cut this side too. Oh, whoopsie gosh. Then you're gonna want to take a little sliver of clay to make the toe of the Lepin. Oh, and I was doing it off camera. Oh, whoopsie goshy gosh. Once your Lepin is in the shape, you put it in the oven. Now for the Lepin to burn. Oh whoops, this is so embarrassing. You can see other Lepin I am working on. My Lepin designs will be stolen. Now the Lepin is baking. It will harden for sanding and possibly painting later. I don't know, making this up as I go. I'll check back in one Lepin moment. Actually, I will introduce you to some of my Lepin while we wait. This is Jeremy. He's shy. This is Benedict. He loves to eat. This is Charlie. He loves food. Not to eat though. No. Oh, and I forgot about Mr. Krabs. He likes crabs. Gorgonzola. Oh, we have Mr. Spears. Then we have Sydney. He lives in the sewers. This is Morgan Freeman. Oh, and last, but certainly not last, we have the Greg. Okay, now for real this time. I will see you in a moment. Also, update on the time. It's 2:30 in the morning. I've not slept yet. Let's go. Okay, so now the Lepin has finished baking. We will check on it. Okay, let's see what we got. That looks absolutely dreadful. Time for sanding. Bigot. Okay, now for sanding. We're going to use some really rough sandpaper to start. And we'll need a hard surface to sand on to get the flat edges, so I'll be using the Bible. Okay, now it is time for a sanding montage. Let's go. Okay, now we have it sanded. Now we will go wash it under some warm water to get all the little speckles off. Now we will sand it again with finer sandpaper to get rid of all the little lines. Okay, now we will sand again. Okay, now it has been sanded again. We'll wash it under the warm water again. Oh, it looks like a little bit of cheese. Now it is time for the Dremel. We're going to use the Dremel to polish it with the polishing attachment. Now we will use some wet wipes in order to wipe off the brown residue of the lepin. The lepin has been cleansed. Now it is time to do the face of the lepin. We'll be using a different Dremel attachment for this part. Now for a slightly different Dremel attachment. Now it is time to add a little bit of black clay in the holes. Now, after wiping off all the excess, well, not all of it, but this is the result. Now we'll put this back in the oven. For this part, we'll put it in for only about 10 minutes or less. Because it is already baked, most of it, there's just a little that needs to be baked. Here we go. Oh, golly goodness. The lepin, it has been baked. Oh, yeah. Now, I will send the lepin one more time. Now I need to wash it under some warm water again. Some warm water. Now to make the lepin into lepin by drilling a hole in the bottom so it may be lepin compatible. Now first we must use the Dremel to make a pilot hole. Now we will use the lepin sized drill bit. It has a hole for lepin compatibility. Now we have to hit it with the Dremel again to make the hole slightly wider. The moment of truth. It is the moment of truth. Now the lepin is complete.
Mario is pretty cool. I like to make him drool. I like to drool. The bird jumping to the drool.